Sahi Queens. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Gigi Hadid Instagram TikTok eyebrow, and I am going to be sacrificing my eyebrows for you guys. I've never done this before. I've tried shaping it without actually shaving my eyebrows, and I kind of got the effect, so I know it's going to look okay on me, but I'm going to go ahead and actually trim the ends off of my eyebrows. Now, I've done everything else on my face. I did my primer, I did my foundation, I concealed my under eyes and I baked them. I put on some blush and I put on some contour, and I also put on some falsies and used the Sahi Cosmetics felt tip liner to give myself a wing so it looks even more foxy. And we're just gonna continue on this foxy eye trend. And yeah, let's get started with the eyebrows now. All right, so what I'm actually using is my fiance's Philips trimmer, and it comes with different extensions at the top. Now, I have experience using this because I have been cutting all of the men's hair in my house for the last couple of months. I'm doing Sandeep's hair, I'm doing my brother's and my dad's. So I have experience using this. If you've never used this, then bring in somebody that might know how to use it so you don't scare yourself or cut yourself. You really can if there's a guard on top, but anyhow. So the guard that I'm using right now actually has the word eyebrow on it. Let's turn it on and see what we can do. Sandeep, do you want to see this? Sandeep, come here for a second. I'm about to do it. Ah! I don't have a lot of hair anyways. Like, if you look at the tail, it's really thin. I just keep my eyebrows really long and that kind of covers it up. Like, you can see how long my eyebrow hairs are. We're gonna make them all equal length. And what am I doing? It's like a lot thinner than the other one. Let's see. Wait, I really actually like this. It's a lot thinner than the other one. Alright, let's do it on this side. Ready? You can hear the hairs being cut, and I'm actually seeing it fall out. I just looked over to see if it was recording. I'd be so mad if it wasn't recording right now. Alright, I'm gonna use my eyebrow trimmer now. We're just gonna start by lifting the skin and taking the tail off. I'll take a little bit more off. There. Oh Lord. Use a big fluffy brush to clean up. I think what we're looking at now is a lot more feasible for me to work with, because if I take off too much of my eyebrows, then I'll wake up in the morning and not have anything on my face and look really weird. So I still want to have something on my face, but at least this is manageable. So I'm gonna go in with my Sahi Cosmetics Deep Brunette Brow Pomade. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I winged it kind of outwards a little bit more, and it's a little bit higher than what my natural eyebrow was. And I really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna like waking up with half my eyebrow missing. This kind of forces you to have to do your makeup every single day, but for me that's good, because there's something about just getting up and putting on your makeup and getting ready and then sitting down to do your work. It just gets me ready to conquer the day. So I'm hoping that this is gonna force me to do my makeup more seriously every single day. And yeah, I really like how this looks. I feel very like Bella Hadid, Gigi Hadid, Kendall Jenner-ish type with my eyebrows so high. And it's a vibe. It really is. I like it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in seeing my fox eye makeup look, it's like a makeup look that would tie into this eyebrow look that we just did. I will link that above, and make sure you subscribe because I post every single week, twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.